Hi everyone, welcome to Euron. Guys, I'm going to talk about a new series announcement in this particular video. So there is a new series that we are going to start, and as we all know that back to back we are launching a lot of series. So this is a series that we are going to start called as Deep Learning Masters. Now this series we are going to start from 22nd of May, and obviously this series is going to be in English first of all. And as a part of this series, we are going to talk about a neural network, CNN, RNN, transformer, and not just theoretically, but in a practical manner, in a theoretical manner, wherever mathematics is required. So we are going to get deep and deep into a mathematical part. Plus, we are going to look into a complete end-to-end implementation. So whether it's an implementation in a local system or it's an implementation over a cloud platform, AWS, Azure, GCP, or maybe some other cloud platform. So as per the syllabus, as per the things that we have mentioned inside this entire series, so we will be moving ahead. Now, so as a part of this entire series, what and all things you will be able to get. The very first amazing thing that you all will be able to enjoy over here is a WhatsApp group. So we are going to create a private WhatsApp group which will be available even now inside your dashboard. So you can go over there, you can try to join, you can build your own private network with the like-minded people. So who is going to do this particular series with you, maybe today, tomorrow, or even in a future, maybe even after a year. And you all can try to prepare all together for a job. Maybe you can try to share an opportunity among each other, and that's completely fine. Now, how we are going to release this particular series? So every Monday, right? Every Monday. So after a launch, whichever Monday is going to be the nearest one. So every Monday in a sequential manner. So in a modular fashion, so we are going to release a series with the assignment. If quizzes are required, so quizzes will be available, and notes and code, each and everything. So whatever we are going to discuss, so each and every resources will be available as a part of this particular series and in a modular fashion. So we are going to release. So in total, there are 7 modules that we have inside this particular series. So 7 weekends or 7 Monday it is going to take. And then there are 85 plus topics, which we have mentioned, including a project, implementation, each and everything in very, very depth, in very, very detail. And here, so we are going to focus mostly on a deep learning and its surrounding. So we are not going to focus much on computer vision. We are not going to focus much on NLP, because for computer vision, for NLP, we have already launched a separate series. So those who are interested, those who would like to build their complete fundamental from a ground zero, so they can try to look into this particular series. This series is a part of the entire Euron ecosystem. And as we all know that Euron Plus, right? So we never sell our courses in a separate manner. So whatever we are offering, so we are offering under one student, one subscription, just like an OTT. So you can come over here, subscribe it. So once your need is over, you can try to unsubscribe it. You can come back once again. And along with that, so you are going to get Euron Plus, Yuri, resume, jobs, so many different kind of things all together. So hope guys, all of you are going to love it. All of you are going to like it. And yeah, so you can join this one. WhatsApp group will be available. Even I am a part of that WhatsApp group. So anytime, if you have any kind of a question, so you can try to put up your question in front of all of us inside a group. We can talk a lot inside a particular group in a structured manner. And yeah, so we can try to help each other. We can try to learn together, grow together, and we are going to build together. So with that, guys, thank you so much. See you again in my next video.